start, and we have Mahusay Ay. Break quickly at the start, and on the outside now is Star of India. Running by the release crossing bell. Then next in line on the outside is a heavyweight, then followed now by Bright Side, leader of the band, while Leviathan is the early trailer. Half mile distance, they travel three runners, now matching their strides together. Running by the release crossing bell, and on the outside is heavyweight. In the middle portion now is Star of India. Then 5 lengths further back in port comes Mahusay Ay. Rushing up down on the inside is the Bright Side. Next in line is Leviathan, while leader of the band now racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have crossing bell by Orling any half. Heavyweight is on the outside. Second is Star of India comes next. And as they swing for home, we have crossing bell by about 2 lengths. And in second, moving up on the outside is Mahusay Ay. We have crossing bell by about 2 lengths, followed by Mahusay Ay on the outside. And finally, it's going to be Mahusay Ay. The second is a crossing bell. Then comes
On the way now, private dining, moving up now Quincy, then followed by Winsome Xena. Around the outside now, moving forward is Bonnie Avenue. And as they settle now, Quincy, the front runner, Alankania private dining. Then 2 lengths further back now, Bonnie Avenue, then followed by Winsome Xena. Around the outside now is Daginding, then followed by Maria Cristina Falls. And as they pass the half mile, it is still Quincy, leads by Lancania, followed by Private Dining. And as they raise a far turn now, Quincy, Lancania, Private Dining. And here comes Daginding, nobody outside, Bonnie Avenue, then followed now by Air Class. One moving forward now in sixth position, Maria Cristina Falls. And as they pass the last 400, Quincy, Daginding, nobody outside, Bonnie Avenue. Private Dining, and down the stretch they go. It is still Quincy and moving up Air Class, Marvel, Bonnie Avenue, nobody outside, and Maria Cristina Falls squeezing now in between runners. Grab the leader. It's now Maria Cristina Falls winning this race, Bonnie Avenue, Air Class, and Quincy.
racing just started with Don Lucas. Break quickly at the start, rushing up down on the inside, Millie Lewis, then on the outside is Moon Island, then running by the rail now is a Real Equity, and Super Earth comes next and going along for the first turn. Now we have Moon Island takes command by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Millie Lewis, down in third is Real Equity. Next in line now is Don Lucas. Super Earth comes next, then followed now by Baba Boom. Alongside now is Runway 10, then followed now by Ragamapin, and on the outside is See You Tomorrow. Another fourth turn, we have Melip Lewis moving up down on the inside, and on the outside now is Super Earth. Moves up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Super Earth by about 2 lengths. Melip Lewis in second. See You Tomorrow rushing about the outside. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Super Earth by about 2 lengths. And on the outside second is See You Tomorrow. And down the stretch they come. Super Earth. See You Tomorrow is on the outside. Super Earth followed by See You Tomorrow on the outside. And finally it's going to be Super Earth. See You Tomorrow. Then comes Baba Boom.
Pace fly, and they're open now. Racing now. All in front is taken by Ooh La La. For the outside, moving up now to take second, Song of Silver, then followed by Red Hawker. And as they settle now, Ooh la la. With two lengths leader, followed by Song of Silver. One moving forward now is Mount Among the Wing. Then followed by Red Hawk. One moving forward now, Full Payment. Then followed by Double Rock Run, Yumi Run. Then G-Song is next in line, while Heavenly Star is running on the tail of the field. And as they raise the far turn now, Song of Silver variant said, ooh, la la, is on a bird, well done, followed by Mount Among the Wing. And towards the last 400, is still ooh la la, Song of Silver now variant said, Song of Silver followed by ooh la la, Full Payment. Here comes the run, Yumi Run, Double Rock. Now for the outside, Red Hawk is running by the wheel down the stretch they go. It's ooh la la, Song of Silver and Run Yumi Run, Full Payment, and down the stretch they go. It is in ooh la la, Double Rock is running by the wheel and nearing the finish line is now Run Yumi Run, ooh la la, Full Payment and Double Rock.
Racing just is started. We have Heritage Break quickly to start. Happy Kid is done on the inside. A6 Machina in the middle portion. Then next in line is Heroes of Caloocan. And going along for the first turn, we have Happy Kid. Takes command then on the outside. Second is Day6 Machina. Hook the Hustler rushing up now on the outside is number 14. And this one is a Distant Thunder. We have Happy Kid, the leader, moving up his Day6 Machina. Then here comes Distant Thunder now moving up on the outside. Next in line is Princess Serena, then followed by Hook the Hustler, Heritage, Heroes of Caloocan is Spaghetting. Pababa comes next and Gaelic Playboy. Another fourth turn, we have two runners still fighting around for the lead. Moving up now on the outside is Distant Thunder to take the lead, running by the release Day6 Machina. Then here comes Hook the Hustler rushing up on the outside. Next in line now is Spaghetting. Pababa as they swing bottom, we have Day6 Machina. And on the outside, Hook the Hustler. Distant Thunder in the middle. Running by the rail is Spaghetting. Pababa. Last 100 meters, we have Day6 Machina. And final Day6 Machina. Second, Distant Thunder. Then comes 12, Hook the Hustler. Horses out of La Repubblica as the begin double time moving up now on the outside. Also moving up now is Ayuda. La Repubblica on the outside moving up now is Meet Me in the corner. Also moving up on the further outside is Sir Jason. Back to the leader. We have Meet Me in the corner. La Repubblica. Ayuda pass sailing in port. Moving up Sir Jason on the outside. Then followed by Double Time Advocacy comes next on the outside. Ace number 4 Batang Novaliches with Sir Jason by a length and a half. And in second now La Repubblica. Ayuda pass sailing down on the inside pip. Then followed by Double Time. Sir Jason takes the lead by a length. La Repubblica in second Advocacy. Ayuda pass sailing. Also moving up now on the outside. And it's still Sir Jason. Ayuda La Repubblica on the outside. Advocacy pass sailing. Also moving up now is Big Easy. Now we have Ayuda takes the lead. Sir Jason Advocacy is running by the list. Big Easy pass sailing. Then followed by Silver Glow with Ayuda this time by about 2 lengths. And in second moving up now down on the inside is Double Time. And it's still Ayuda this time by about 3 lengths. And in second Double Time Advocacy Sir Jason. And finally it's Ayuda. Second closer Jason Advocacy. Then comes close Double Time. Racing just is started. We will scramble in front position. Moving up in the middle portion is DC. Landing, running by the rail is Regal, and going along for the first turn. Now we have Regal takes command. Moving up now, what the outside is Primero. Soldado in the middle portion now. Is number 8, and this one is Pass and Easy. We have Regal, Primero Soldado, Pass in Easy is racing in third. Then moving up now on the outside is Alalum Pulse, rushing up down on the inside is Easy. Landing inside the tres octavo, we have Regal by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Primero Soldado, and on the outside third is Alalum Pulse, rushing up down on the inside now is Easy Landing. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Regal followed by Primero Soldado moving up on the outside. And as they swing for home, Regal, Primero Soldado, Easy Landing is running by the rail. Moving up on the outside now is a Sirsia. Then comes Colisarol. And down the stretch they come. We have Regal, Easy Landing is running by the rail. Primero Soldado is on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's going to be a close finish between Regal, Easy Landing, then comes Primero Soldado.
There, on their way now. Benji Sprayer looking for the leader. Galloping goes right behind in second, running in third. Speed Revolution, and as they leave the chute now, the favorite Benji Sprayer with 2 lengths lead, followed by Galloping Goes, and running in third. Speed Revolution, Super Spunky, then moving up now in Rayla is IRs, then followed by Chi Holly, Sun in Pate, next in line, Jean Jenny. Great Angie, then followed by Guerrero Warriors. Here comes the Bumbukawa. Entry number 8, Electrify. And as they race the far turn, it is still Benji Sprayer, leads by some 2.5 lengths now. Followed now by High Honors in second, moving up now to take third, Super Spanky. Chi Holly, now for the outside, past the last 400. It is still Benji Sprayer, leads by Lankania, followed by High Honors as they swing for home. It is still Benji Sprayer, leads by some 3 lengths now, followed by High Honors. And down the stretch they go. It is still Benji Sprayer with a safe margin, nearing the finish line within this race from start to finish. That's Benji Sprayer. Second close, Jean Jenny High Honors, Sun in Fate. Then followed by Electrify.